in Jamaica in general, you're either a soccer player or you're a track and field star. So in my community, there was a lot of soccer playing around. And as a young girl, my mom didn't want me to play because she always said it was dangerous. And so I would always sit on the side and watch everybody else play, very jealous. And so one day I decided that, you know what, I'm not going to care what my mom said. If she want to punish me, it is what it is. I'm going to play.
Jamaica became the first Caribbean team to qualify for a FIFA Women's World Cup, with victory on penalties over Panama, following a 2-2 draw.
It was just a lot of emotions. Most of the players started to cry. You live for that moment. You grew up wanting to be in a position to say to yourself that I've qualified for the World Cup.
19 goals, more than any other woman in history, to inspire her country to France.
I was just going out there to help my team score as many goals as I can, as long as it would be beneficial for the team. And at the end of the day, all the hard work and the dedication that I've put in year round just showed that with the 19 goals that I've scored. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it.
3 versus 3. Here comes Brown. Lofts it cross, and it's headed home. Bunny Shaw gives Jamaica an opening goal.